A400M Tactical Airlifter. The A400M Tactical Airlifter is a versatile military transport aircraft designed to carry troops, vehicles, and equipment wherever they are needed. Built by Airbus Defence and Space, it combines the strengths of smaller tactical planes and large cargo aircraft, making it perfect for both short and long-range missions. This aircraft can carry up to 37 tons of cargo, including heavy vehicles, helicopters, and large equipment that other planes cannot handle. Its rear ramp and cargo doors allow for fast and easy loading and unloading, even in rough or remote locations. The A400M is also capable of parachute drops, medical evacuations, and disaster relief missions, making it highly flexible for military and humanitarian operations. Powered by 4 advanced turboprop engines, the A400M is fast, fuel-efficient, and capable of flying long distances while carrying heavy loads. Airbus VSR 700. The Airbus VSR 700 is an advanced unmanned helicopter drone developed by Airbus Helicopters in France. It is designed to operate without a pilot on board, giving naval ships an extra set of eyes in the sky. Instead of replacing manned helicopters, the VSR 700 works alongside them, providing long-range surveillance, reconnaissance, and intelligence while keeping human crews safe. Measuring about 6.2 meters long with a 7.2-meter rotor, the VSR 700 can carry cameras, radar, and other sensors to detect and monitor targets at sea. It can stay airborne for up to 8 to 10 hours, allowing it to patrol far from its ship and gather valuable information over long periods. This endurance makes it ideal for maritime patrols, search and rescue, and anti-submarine missions. The drone is capable of autonomous takeoff and landing from ship decks, making operations smooth and safe even in rough seas. Axum Marine Chaser 980. The Axum Marine Chaser 980 is a powerful and fast patrol boat designed for serious maritime missions. Built by Axum Marine, this boat is made for coastal security, anti-piracy patrols, search and rescue, and military operations where speed and safety really matter. At around 9.8 meters long, it may look compact, but it is extremely tough and capable. One of the most impressive features of the Chaser 980 is its armored cabin, which protects the crew from bullets and harsh conditions. The hull is made from high-density polyethylene, HDPE, a strong material that resists corrosion, impacts, and rough sea conditions much better than traditional materials. This makes the boat reliable and low maintenance even after long use. The boat is powered by twin high-horsepower engines, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 45 knots, which means it can respond quickly during emergencies or chase situations. Barracuda XSV-17. The Barracuda XSV-17 is a small but powerful patrol boat designed for fast and effective operations on the water. At about 17 feet, 5 meters long, it may be compact, but it packs incredible speed, strength, and agility, making it perfect for coastal security, rapid response, search and rescue, and special missions. One of the key features of the XSV-17 is its rugged and durable construction. Its strong yet lightweight hull allows it to handle rough waves while staying stable and safe for the crew. The boat's design also ensures it can accelerate quickly and reach high speeds, making it ideal for chasing targets, intercepting suspicious vessels, or responding quickly to emergencies. The Barracuda XSV-17 can carry a small team of trained personnel, giving it flexibility for different tasks. Whether it's patrolling harbors, escorting larger ships, supporting rescue operations, or performing law enforcement duties, this boat can handle it all. It can also be equipped with modern navigation and communication tools, allowing crews to operate confidently day or night. For missions that require extra protection, it can carry light defensive gear. Overall, the Barracuda XSV-17 is a fast, versatile, and reliable patrol craft. Its compact size, combined with speed and durability, makes it an excellent choice for teams working in tight coastal waters, ensuring safety and efficiency in every mission. FPV-35M. The FPV-35M is a fast and powerful patrol vessel designed for modern coastal and offshore missions. At 35 meters long, it is larger than smaller patrol boats, providing plenty of space for crew, equipment, and longer missions. Navies and Coast Guards use it to protect coastal waters, stop illegal activities, and respond quickly to emergencies. Built for speed, strength, and endurance, the FPV-35M can handle rough seas while moving quickly to reach critical locations. It is perfect for coastal patrols, border security, anti-smuggling missions, search and rescue, and escort operations. Its size allows it to stay at sea for extended periods, making it ideal for long missions without returning to port. The vessel has room for a trained crew plus additional personnel depending on the mission. It comes with modern navigation, communication, and surveillance systems, ensuring teams can operate safely day or night and in all weather conditions. Inshore Patrol Vessel. An inshore patrol vessel is a small and fast ship designed to operate close to the coast. These vessels are mainly used by navies and coast guards to protect coastal waters and keep nearby sea areas safe. Because they work in shallow waters, they can go to places where large ships cannot easily reach. Inshore patrol vessels are used for many important tasks, such as coastal security, border control, anti-smuggling patrols, search and rescue missions, and stopping illegal fishing. Their speed and agility allow them to respond quickly to emergencies or suspicious activities. They are usually equipped with modern navigation systems, radar, and communication tools, which help them operate safely during day or night and in different weather conditions. Even though they are smaller in size, these vessels can still carry light weapons for protection and law enforcement duties. They have space for a trained crew and are designed to stay comfortable during long patrol hours. Some inshore patrol vessels also carry small boats or surveillance equipment to extend their reach and improve mission effectiveness. Overall, an inshore patrol vessel is a key part of maritime security. Its compact size, speed, and flexibility make it perfect for protecting coastlines, ports, and nearby sea routes in today's world. Kalashnikov BK-16E. The Kalashnikov BK-16E is a fast and versatile military boat designed for modern naval and special operations. Built by the Kalashnikov Group, this high-speed craft is made to work in coastal waters, rivers, ports, and shallow areas where larger ships cannot operate easily. Its compact but powerful design allows it to react quickly during critical missions. The BK-16E is about 18 meters long and can reach speeds of over 40 knots, making it ideal for rapid response, patrol duties, and troop transport. It can carry a small crew along with up to 19 fully equipped soldiers, which makes it perfect for special forces missions, beach landings, and security operations. The boat can also be used for rescue missions or medical evacuation when needed. One of its strongest features is its flexibility. The BK-16E can be equipped with different weapon systems, including remote-controlled guns and grenade launchers, depending on the mission. Katana USV System. The Katana USV system is an advanced unmanned surface vessel, USV, developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI. Unlike traditional ships, the Katana operates remotely or fully autonomously, making it perfect for dangerous or high-risk missions at sea without putting crew members in harm's way. At about 12 meters long, the Katana USV is built for speed, flexibility, and endurance. It can perform a variety of missions, including coastal patrols, harbor protection, offshore security, surveillance, and search and rescue operations. Its modern sensors, cameras, radar, and communication systems allow it to detect, track, and monitor targets efficiently, giving operators complete situational awareness. One of the system's most impressive features is its dual-mode operation. It can run unmanned for risky tasks or switch to manned control if direct operation is needed. This versatility makes it highly adaptable to different missions and environments. The Magura V5 is a modern and powerful unmanned surface vessel, USV, built for naval and maritime security missions. Developed in Ukraine, this drone boat can operate without any crew on board, making it perfect for dangerous tasks where human safety is a concern. It combines speed, precision, and smart technology to handle challenging missions on the water. Compact and agile, the Magura V5 has a low profile, making it harder to detect. Its high speed allows it to reach targets quickly and operate over long distances. The vessel is guided remotely with advanced communication and navigation systems, giving operators full control while staying safely away from danger. The Magura V5 is mainly used for strike missions, surveillance, reconnaissance, and coastal defense. One of its most impressive features is its ability to carry an explosive payload to strike high-value targets like enemy ships or strategic assets with precision. Raider X. The Raider X is a modern unmanned surface vessel, USV, designed for smart and safe operations at sea. It can operate remotely or fully autonomously, making it ideal for missions where putting people on board would be risky. This advanced vessel gives navies and security teams a fast and flexible tool to monitor and protect coastal and offshore areas. The Raider X is perfect for coastal patrols, surveillance, intelligence gathering, and protecting ships or ports. Its powerful sensors, cameras, radar, and communication systems allow it to track targets and send real-time information to operators, helping them make quick and accurate decisions. One of the strongest features of the Raider X is its modular design. It can carry different equipment depending on the mission, including surveillance tools or light defensive systems. Its autonomous capabilities let it follow preset routes, detect threats, and respond effectively with minimal human involvement. Somalu Security Vessel 35 meters. The Somalu 35-meter security vessel is a modern and powerful boat designed to handle demanding security operations at sea. Built by Sam Aluminium Engineering, this vessel is made for coastal patrols, offshore protection, escort duties, and rapid response missions. With its long and sleek 35-meter design, it offers both speed and stability, even in rough sea conditions. The vessel is constructed from high-quality aluminium, which makes it strong yet lightweight. This helps improve fuel efficiency while still providing excellent durability for long-term use. The design follows international marine standards, ensuring safety, reliability, and smooth performance during extended operations. Sarbot Sarbo is a smart service robot designed to make everyday tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. Built with modern technology, Sarbo can work in places like hotels, restaurants, offices, hospitals, and shopping malls. Its main job is to assist humans by handling routine tasks such as delivering items, guiding visitors, answering basic questions, and providing customer support. This helps reduce human workload and improves overall service quality. What makes Sarbot special is its friendly design and easy interaction. It can understand commands, navigate smoothly through spaces, avoid obstacles, and work safely around people. Sarbot uses sensors, cameras, and AI-based software to move intelligently and perform tasks accurately. Some versions can even display information on a screen, speak with users, or connect to management systems for real-time updates. Sarbot is especially useful in busy environments where speed and consistency matter. It can work for long hours without getting tired, making it a reliable assistant for businesses. During health-sensitive situations, Sarbot also helps by reducing direct human contact, which adds an extra layer of safety. Overall, Sarbot represents the future of smart automation. It shows how robots can work alongside humans, not replace them, to create a more efficient, modern, and comfortable experience in daily life. Sentinel 830R. The Sentinel 830R is a fast and powerful patrol boat designed for coastal and offshore missions. It's perfect for tasks like coastal security, search and rescue, law enforcement, and maritime patrols. Built to be strong, agile, and reliable, this boat is used by navies, coast guards, and private security teams around the world. At 8.3 meters long, the Sentinel 830R is compact but tough. Its sturdy hull keeps it stable even in rough waters, while its powerful engines let it move quickly to respond to emergencies or reach critical locations fast. Speed and maneuverability are key, making it ideal for rapid response missions. The boat can carry a small crew along with extra passengers or personnel, giving flexibility for different operations. It comes with modern navigation, communication, and safety systems, so teams can operate confidently during day or night in all weather conditions. Spear 9Ox. The Spear 9Ox is a compact and advanced loitering drone designed for modern military and security operations. Developed by Spear UAV, it gives soldiers the ability to observe, track, and strike targets quickly and safely without putting personnel in harm's way. Its small size and portability make it easy for teams to carry and launch in various environments. One of the key features of the Ninox is its vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capability. This allows it to operate without a runway or special launch system, making it perfect for tight spaces like cities, forests, or rugged terrain. After takeoff, the drone can hover, scout, and loiter over a target area, sending real-time video back to the operator for precise decision-making. The Ninox is equipped with advanced cameras and sensors to identify and track targets accurately. Tarantula-class corvette. The Tarantula-class corvette is a small but powerful warship built for fast and aggressive naval operations. Originally developed by Russia, it is designed to combine speed, firepower, and flexibility, making it a key asset for navies operating near coastlines or in open seas. At around 56 meters long, the Tarantula class moves quickly, allowing it to chase enemy ships or reposition during combat. Despite its compact size, it is heavily armed, carrying long-range anti-ship missiles that can strike targets from a distance. This gives the corvette impressive offensive capabilities, making it a serious threat to larger vessels. In addition to missiles, the ship has artillery guns,